Hey, what's up guys, it's Flux, and I'm going to show you another quick feature on Maschine 1.8. I'm going to show you the new effects. So check this out, I've got another one of my sound packs up here. So what I'm going to do now is on the group level, I'm going to go ahead and throw the saturator on here. Saturator, you're going to say, oh well that's old, we've had saturator. And you would be right about that. But what you got to remember is there's new features in here. So you click here and you see you got tape and tube. Both of these are new. Tape is a tape saturator, obviously, and as you push your drive up, you'll start to hear the tape distort. So you've got tape saturation there, and then of course you have tube saturation. And on tube saturation you also have bass overload. Be careful with the bass overload because it can cause you to clip, but it can also cause you to do is get really funky, which is a good thing. We like that. So, see how that went straight into the red? Let's bring this down for a second. Okay. And of course you can kind of play around with your levels on here a bit. So you get an idea of how that works. What we also have here is transient master. Now transient master used to be in Guitar Rig, but now we have it natively inside a Maschine. And what it does is it can actually change the attack and sustain of your hits. So check this snare out. Let's take this back down. So you can do some really pretty interesting things here. So it really helps you get some extra smack out of your drums and let your drums kind of cut through the mix. So anyway, I just wanted to show you some of the new features inside of Maschine 1.8. If you got any questions, hit me up.